All right, the story that of the series I'm going to start on Facebook is going to be the Chronicles. It's a dragon love story and of a woman, of a girl becoming a woman trying to find her way in the world. Her father was the powerful leader of the Alpha Dragon clan, and his name was Parthenax. And Parthenax had a wife named Violet, and his wife Violet, she was half dragon and half dark witch. So she always joined in the war. And she was pregnant when the war started. And the Omegas, they had their clan leader. And we'll just call him he's kind of like the villain, but his name is Oryx. And he in fact despised the alphas because he made the omegas, and he did a lot of things. Oryx, a lot of things. He would plunder, he would kill, and the alphas were always trying to take him down. He was always one step ahead. And his father was the Dark Overlord. And anyways, he had that Dark Overlord father, and they were constantly always, he sided with his dad and the Omegas. And eventually, all through the wars, that Violet from the Alphas, she ended up getting poisoned by one of their enemies. He was, in fact, he was kind of like an alien. He was almost like a dragon. They were sort of, but they looked more like a snake. And he ended up pretty much putting a piece of himself inside of her because he found dragons disgusting. Because she got captured at one time. And this is how LaRusha begins. So, anyways, they were. And how it starts, now that you have the backstory, sort of. LaRusha, the clans were always opposing sides, but then even with the Dark Overlord, there was these beings that were literally stronger than both and just knew their weaknesses. And he was constantly watching over them. So that's how the story starts. Violet was through one of the battles, she just picked up and got poisoned, and no one knew how the baby would turn out. So, and I'm probably going on 4 minutes. I don't want to get it too long, this reel. So I will continue this story tomorrow of a dragon's love story. And I hope you guys enjoyed the beginning. I guess we'll call this the prologue before we kind of get into the story. And I bid everybody a good day.